India is celebrating the 77th Republic Day, a moment of pride, power, and purpose. This year, the world will watch as Europe joins India's Republic Day celebrations. European Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen and European Council President Antonio Costa will be the chief guests at the parade today. 150 years of Vande Mataram is the central theme this year. Over 10,000 people will witness the parade, with 2,500 artists performing. 30 tableaus will roll down Kartavya Path, showcasing India's diversity and strength. And this Republic Day will mark several firsts. It is the first Republic Day after Operation Sindoor, with India's military strength showcased in a phased battle array format. A 7-jet flypast featuring Rafale Su-30, MiG-29 and Jaguar aircraft will dominate the skies. The S-400 air defense system, which shot down Pakistani aircraft during Operation Sindoor, will be on full display. For the first time ever, the Army's animal contingent will march, with Zanskar ponies, camels and kites adding tradition to strength. The Operation Sindoor Connect will run through the parade with displays of BrahMos missiles, MBT Arjun, a mega aerial showcase by the Indian Air Force, an army tableau highlighting deep and precise strike capability, and a tri-service tableau reflecting complete operational freedom. President Draupadi Murmu, speaking on Operation Sindoor in her Republic Day Eve address, said that the operation struck terror infrastructure in Pakistan, destroyed terror hubs and eliminated terrorists, calling it a success of India's growing self-reliance in defense power.
ये गीत जन मन में राष्ट्र प्रेम का संचार करता है। राष्ट्रीयता के महाकवि सुब्रमण्य भारती ने तमिल भाषा में वंदे मातरम येनवम अर्थात हम वंदे मातरम बोले इस गीत की रचना करके वंदे मातरम की भावना को और भी व्यापक स्तर पर जनमानस के साथ जोड़ा। अन्य भारतीय भाषाओं में भी इस गीत के अनुवाद लोकप्रिय हुए। श्री अरविंदो ने वंदे मातरम का अंग्रेजी अनुवाद किया। ऋषितुल्य बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय द्वारा रचित वंदे मातरम हमारी राष्ट्र वंदना का स्वर है। हमारी बहनें और बेटियां परंपरागत रूढ़ियों को तोड़कर आगे बढ़ रही हैं। महिलाएं देश के समग्र विकास में सक्रिय योगदान दे रही है। 10 करोड़ से अधिक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप से जुड़े बहनें विकास की नई परिभाषा लिख रही हैं। महिलाएं खेत खलिहानों से लेकर अंतरिक्ष तक, स्वरोजगार से लेकर सेनाओं तक अपनी प्रभावी पहचान बना रहे हैं। खेलकूद के क्षेत्र में हमारी बेटियों ने विश्व स्तर पर नए प्रतिमान स्थापित किए हैं। पंचायती राज संस्थाओं में महिला जन प्रतिनिधियों की संख्या लगभग 40% है। विकसित भारत के निर्माण में नारी शक्ति की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण रहेगी। उनके बढ़ते हुए योगदान से हमारा देश महिला पुरुष समानता पर आधारित समावेशी गणतंत्र का उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करेगा। पिछले वर्ष हमारे देश ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के द्वारा आतंकवाद के ठिकानों पर सटीक प्रहार किया। आतंक के अनेक ठिकानों को ध्वस्त किया गया तथा बहुत से आतंकवादियों को उनके अंजाम तक पहुंचाया गया। सुरक्षा के
पर देखें तो बकायदा जो नोएडा पुलिस है, दिल्ली पुलिस है, वो पूरी तरह से मुस्तैद है। हर गाड़ियों की बकायदा चेकिंग की जा रही है और चेक करने के बाद ही दिल्ली की तरफ जाने दिया जा रहा है। पूरी तरह से पुलिस, उसके अलावा अत्याधुनिक हथियारों से लैस जो अर्धसैनिक बल के जवान है वो आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई देंगे। इसी तरह से राजधानी में चप्पे चप्पे पर
हेलो हेलो हेलो
All right, so those are the kind of security arrangements that have been made in the national capital ahead of the Republic Day parade, and this is what Kartavya Path looks like right now. The preparations are underway for the 77th Republic Day celebrations. The parade will begin at 9:30 a.m. today. It will be a 90-minute long parade, and European Union Chief Ursula von der Leyen will be the chief guest today. She's already in the national capital, and the parade will be beginning at 9:30 a.m. today. And the theme, the central theme of this year's celebration is 150 years of Vande Mataram, and the focus will also be on Operation Sindoor. India's military might will be on full display in this parade today. and the focus will be on Operation Sindoor, India's counter-offensive against Pakistan. My colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining us from Kartavya Path, where the parade will be taking place in just a while from now. Shivani, walk us through the kind of arrangements, the preparations that are underway, and how is the mood like right now at Kartavya Path?
Anjali, happy Republic Day to you too and all our viewers. And right outside the Kartavya Path, where you can see the contingents are giving the final touches to their rehearsals. The parade will start at 10:30 and this will be a splendid show of India's majestic combat capabilities and the national heritage. So we will be witnessing the marching contingents, we will be witnessing the battle array formation in a first. We'll also be seeing 10,000 special guests who've been invited here at Kartavya Path. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be paying homage to the brave hearts at National War Memorial at 10:22, and then he will be heading towards Kartavya Path, where we will be seeing the parade. And this time there are a number of new things, the new additions, Anjali, that have been brought in at the Kartavya Path. There will be a lot of element which was seen in Operation Sindoor, the BrahMos, the Akash missile systems, the drone Shakti, the kamikazes, and the animal warriors also will be a part of this Kartavya Path. If I may show you how the arrangement is like, these are the enclosures that have been made, and for the first time these enclosures have been named in the name of rivers to avoid any kind of numbering, to give a sense of VIP culture. So the rivers name have been chosen to name these enclosures. You see 77,000 people will be watching the parade from Kartavya Path from different enclosures. There will be 30 tableaus, out of which 17 are from the states and union territories, rest 13 from the ministries, departments and services. We'll also be seeing the tableau of Department of Military Affairs that will be showcasing the victory of Operation Sindoor through jointness. We'll be seeing how how different terror camps inside Pakistan were destroyed by India's missile systems, Rafales, Su-30 and BrahMos. So a lot of preparation has been done, Anjali. We've been showing how the contingents have been prepared in the last 3 to 4 months, and now the final day has come when on Kartavya Path, India's combat capability, India's prowess, military might, national heritage will be visible to the world. And this is not only a ceremonial grandeur, Anjali, this happens to be a strategic message to the world, especially to the adversary out there. So now we will be witnessing the flypast also. An Operation Sindoor formation is the special formation that has been prepared by the Indian Air Force with 7 fighters to dedicate it to the success of Operation Sindoor. So this 90-minute parade will be showcasing not only the armed forces capabilities, the jointness, the synergy, the rich cultural heritage of the country, but also 50 couples will be clad in the traditional dress of India of different states. So a lot of color, a lot of valor, bravery will be there on Kartavya Path, and we are right next to this Kartavya Path, where we will be witnessing Republic Day parade commence from 10:30 a.m. with the majestic 21 gun salute. Because, the gun salute will also be special. It has been planned by the indigenous artillery gun systems. So a lot of Atmanirbharta and the prowess of the India's armed forces, their jointness, and how India is moving ahead in every sphere will be translated well on Kartavya Path. Anjali.
All right, Shivani, do stay with us. So India's military might will be on full display. The key focus will be on Operation Sindoor.